Alrighty, Sharp Customs, man. Merry Christmas to everybody. We did not think that we were going to do this Christmas day, evening, you know. We figured we'd do another something, you know, just prior to New Year's, but I just felt a little inspired today. And as you can see, you can pan around if the camera girl wants to pan around. We are not in our shop. We are in my father's shop. It's a little smaller. Lots of stuff on the walls he's collected. Lots of our old vehicles that we've built over the years. Lots of pictures of this, that, and the other thing. I love that car. 57 Chevy Pro Street, caged. Nice car. A very nice car. That was my dad's. Nice car. Right here, got a very unique Speed Demon hot rod shop on a piece of sheet metal that was copperized that I did for my dad. Oh, I don't know, maybe a year ago. But there's another airbrushing on the wall behind the wood stove. It's hard to see. Chevy Thunder. That is a early 1990s airbrushing when I was just getting into it. But yeah, we're here. We're actually here at my parents' place tonight for dinner. You know, Christmas dinner. You know, everybody does that stuff. You know, you go here and you go there, and yeah, you fatten up at this house one night, and then you fatten up at the next house the next night. You know, we do 2 nights. We're actually pretty lucky. You know, I don't want to do any more than two nights. You know, I'm good with that. But 32, right? Here we got my dad's 1932. Yes, you noticed I had to ask him. I knew it was 30s, obviously, but he's been picking away at it. This is his everyday street ride. Now, my dad also used to race, you know, Altereds, Gassers. He just actually sold his Gasser, but he took the power plant out of it and decided he was going to put it in a street rod. You know, I don't know if he's going to use it. I don't know if he's going to use it for everyday use. I know he's going to probably take it down to the drags the odd time. You know, 350 small block tunnel ram. You know, pushing maybe 500 horse. He's working on the headers. The headers are not going to stay like this. He's going to slice them, dice them, kind of, you know, turn them, run them down there. He's got a plan. He's got a plan. He doesn't really want to run the exhaust, an exhaust system, I should say, under the car. He'd like to take like a cherry bomb type thing and, you know, kind of do something like that. Here, let me see. He's sitting right here. He's sitting right here. But he doesn't really want to be on the camera too much. But there.
Say hi, Dad.
Hello. That would look pretty cool, I think. Yep. Yep. If you could do something like that, that would look pretty cool. And you got your exhaust. It's not much of an exhaust, but I mean, it'll do the trick. It'll get you by, hopefully. Maybe might get you a ticket. Might get you a ticket or two. We're gonna go for a little walk. I'm gonna open the door. Open the door. This is just going to be a short little video, like I always say, just a short little video. Now this car, my dad built the whole thing. Steel body car. Very basic. It's very what I consider raw, which is what I like with a, you know, a hot rod, a street car. My dad has had this car, believe it or not, for approximately 15 years. I love the retro. Look here, watch, listen to this. Watch, listen to this door. This is pretty sweet. When you got an old car this old, you know, 1932 Ford's Call it what you want. It's a sedan to me. You know. How sweet is that? Like, I gotta do it again. You know, when you get a door that closes that nice, and I'm sure the one on the other side works just as good.
Original.
Original at that. You heard it. You heard it. Original. I love the retro look, the flat black with the red. Pretty cool, I think. He likes this right here. We could actually, you know, I'm his son and I paint. We could make this car look like that. Now, you know, this one's obviously, it's got a Hemi in it, but as far as the look, you know, we can't get away with running the 4 chrome straight pipes straight off the motor. You know, here in Canada, you have to run some type of, you know, baffling system to keep the dBs down, the noise. You know, down in the States, man, they get away with all kinds of crazy stuff. You know, if Canada was to become the 51st state, how cool would that be? I know that's just a crazy thing, but hey, you never know. You never know. I thought I'd put that out there because you never know that. But I think what we'll do now, like I say, we're just doing a little short video here tonight, and I think I'm gonna get my dad. He's gonna jump in the car, and he's gonna fire this bad boy up for us with the open headers. So if y'all got earplugs, you might want to put them in now. I don't know how this is gonna sound on the camera. I'm gonna go crack the door. I don't know if you want to get too close there, girl. It might distort the sound a wee bit. But it's pretty gnarly. Okay, that probably just crapped out the microphone on the camera. I'm gonna walk over here to this side. I might have crapped out the microphone on the camera, no doubt, because it usually does that. But that was loud and proud. You know, that was pretty freaking awesome. It is actually, it's not super late here. You know, it's just after 8 o'clock here in southern Ontario, but something a little different from Sharp Customs, man. We were just out and about tonight over at my dad's for dinner, and thought we'd bring the camera along with us, and you know, because we like to do that. We like to change things up a wee bit. And thank you to my dad for firing this bad boy up and giving me some information on it that I mean, I know a full roller motor, by the way. Like I say, this motor was out of his gasser, and I don't know if he's going to drive it on the street too much. I know he wants to. I know he's going to take it down to the drags a few times, but hot rods are a wonderful thing, man. Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to make comments, man. I love reading your comments. I love replying back to your comments. And, you know, Merry Christmas, everybody. Love you all. Peace. I'm out.